Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard feet soft. First, begin by soaking your feet in warm water. This simple step is crucial for softening the tough skin, making it much easier to treat. You can enhance the soak by adding a few tablespoons of Epsom salts or a few drops of your favorite essential oil. Aim for a soak duration of 15 to 20 minutes to properly prepare your feet for the next steps. Once your feet are nicely softened from the soak, it's time for gentle exfoliation. Grab a pumice stone or a foot file and carefully work on any calluses or rough patches. Remember to use light, circular motions and avoid scrubbing too aggressively, as this can cause irritation. The goal is to gradually smooth the skin, not to remove it all at once. After exfoliating, deep moisturization is key to achieving truly soft feet. Apply a generous amount of a rich foot cream or even petroleum jelly to your entire foot, paying extra attention to those previously rough areas. For enhanced results, consider creams containing ingredients like urea or lactic acid. To lock in all that moisture, slip on a pair of soft cotton socks and leave them on overnight. Maintaining soft feet requires consistent care. Make it a habit to moisturize your feet daily, especially after showering, to keep the skin supple. Also, choose comfortable, well-fitting shoes to prevent new calluses from forming. You can repeat the soaking and exfoliating routine weekly, or whenever you feel your feet need a little extra attention to keep them feeling wonderfully soft.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.